I hate to see you in like this, Kaz.
Me too. Her table manners are terrible.
No, I mean, I hate to see her turning down help. Everyone needs a little help once in a while. Forgive me, John. What happened to you?
I put on some makeup. What's that?
Oh, I know you don't want help, but I can't just watch you be miserable. Anytime you want me to do something for you, just ring this bell. I'll be your hands until yours start working again. Perfect. I'll be in the other room if you need anything at all. Yes?
Please take the bell out of my mouth.
Oh, here. You can just pick it up with your teeth. Well, it's here just in case.
Help.
The blue one.
I don't need any help. Never have, never will. Oh no. Kaz, you made me sign so many
Like right, Kaz,
my
you
voice
missed
has
that.
gotten numb. See? I can't feel a thing. No way. I don't need any help. Well, okay. If it'll make you feel any better. But how do I ring the bell if I can't pick it up? Okay. Please take the bell out of my mouth. Okay. But that was a special situation. I'm not going to use that bell. My nose itches. Kimochi.
Poor baby.
Maybe I need more help than I thought.
I'm pulling no more down like long brown. Change.